The Tumbler wasn't just a car, it was a statement of urban dominance. In the films, it was a bridging vehicle for the military. In the real world of 2026, those tactical specs are no longer restricted to the silver screen. We've seen high-end replicas running 700 horsepower Raptor engines, but that was just the beginning. Today we're integrating graphene armor, solid-state power, and a localized AI oracle to build the most advanced tactical vehicle on the planet. This is the 2026 Batmobile.
Hi, I'm Ramesh. Welcome to Synapseflow, where we connect the dots between AI, IoT, and the global stories that shape our world. Let's dive in.
This is the 2026 Batmobile. The Batmobile must survive small arms fire and high-speed impacts without gaining the weight of a traditional tank. Current replicas use fiberglass and carbon fiber, but we're stepping up to graphene-enhanced composites. These materials provide 10 times the strength of steel at a fraction of the weight. To handle external threats, we are implementing an active protection system, APS, miniaturized radar that detects incoming projectiles and deploys electromagnetic counterpulses to neutralize them before they touch the shell. While some versions have used the supercharged Ford F3, 5 or Raptor engine for its raw 700 horsepower, the 2026 build goes electric for tactical silence. We're using a quad motor drivetrain, allowing for tank turns where the vehicle spins 360 degrees on its own axis. Powering this is a solid-state battery pack offering double the energy density of older tech and zero fire risk during high-stress combat maneuvers. It's 2,000 horsepower of silent predator. The true heart of this machine is the Oracle, a localized private large language model. This AI doesn't just navigate, it predicts. Using a suite of 360-degree LiDAR and thermal sensors, it identifies tactical paths, calculating the best way to weave through gridlock or identify weak points in brick walls. It manages the autonomous pursuit mode, allowing the driver to focus on tactical decisions while the car handles the limit-pushing physics of a high-speed chase. Tactical dominance means controlling the environment. Integrated drone hives provide a God's eye view of the city, feeding real-time mapping back to the Oracle HUD. For defense, we have more than just a flame-spitting exhaust. We've installed a non-lethal active denial system, a focused energy beam that creates an unbearable heat sensation to repel attackers without permanent injury, and high-intensity dazzler lasers to blind hostile optical sensors. The Batmobile is no longer a movie prop. It's the convergence of 2026 solid-state power, graphene science, and an AI brain faster than any human pilot. We have the armor, the speed, and the intelligence. The shadows are just a firmware update away. What do you think? Would you trust a machine to navigate the darkest corners of the city? Let me know in the comments. See you in the shadow.